GM and welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna talk about Story Protocol. As they say it themselves, the future of intellectual property on blockchain. We're gonna talk about how it works, the tech behind it, and the IP token that is launching together with the blockchain this Thursday. So I thought I will do a little video on what Story Protocol is and get you ready for the launch of both the blockchain and the token that comes with an airdrop, but more on that later. Story Protocol is a blockchain designed to revolutionize how intellectual property is managed, licensed, and monetized in the digital age that we live in. You can think of it as a Git for IP. So most of you probably know GitHub, for example, and this is a system that makes IP ownership transparent, accessible, and programmable. How does that work? At its core, Story Protocol enables decentralized IP management, so creators can register, license, and monetize their work, whether it's text, artwork, music, or even AI models. Personally, I'm really looking forward to the music part of things, but again, everyone has their own interests. A key feature is the programmable IP, as I already mentioned, where smart contracts handle the licensing, royalties, and remix permissions automatically. And this should eliminate the complexity of traditional IP management and is set out to make the global collaboration more seamless. Let's talk really short about the tech behind all of this. Story Protocol is built on Story Network. This is a layer 1 blockchain optimized for handling complex IP structures. It's EVM compatible, such as Berachain, which I did a video as well. Feel free to check that one out. And it is built on the Cosmos SDK. So meaning it integrates smoothly with the other EVM compatible blockchains. So some other key elements are the proof of creativity protocol. Those are the smart contracts that enforce licensing and royalty payments. And also the PIL, which is the programmable IP license, a legally enforceable, flexible framework for licensing content. Now let's talk about the IP token and economic model. You can see this here with the tweet I put out. And IP is the native token powering the Story ecosystem. It is used for staking, securing the network, transaction fees, so gas, the governance, giving the holders voting rights, and burn mechanics, of course, reducing supply over time, as we see for all token models recently. And the IP allocation breakdown, we got a total supply of 1 billion IP, and initial unlocked supply is 25%. And there's a lot to ecosystem and community, and also the early supporters and initial incentives. So there's a lot of people that can benefit from this. About the launch, the mainnet launches this Thursday with token claims and checker available for all the users. The Odyssey testnet prioritized real users over yield farmers, as they said. No long-term farming, just 4 weeks of real ecosystem testing. And we will see how they will be rewarded this Thursday once the checker goes live. Something to notice around the IP token, all users start earning rewards at the same time. So everyone has the fair launch, basically. No one gets a head start, and rewards are only distributed after the singularity phase ends. I've done a couple of videos on Kaito and YAPs, and it is already confirmed that Kaito AI will reward yappers with IP. If you have been talking about Story Protocol on X, and if you signed up to Kaito, which doesn't cost anything, so everyone that's putting out content on X should probably do it. People that talked about it will get a reward. We've seen this for Anime and Bera, and now IP from Story Protocol will be the next token that is a reward for yappers that talked about IP. I think that a fair, transparent, and programmable IP system is very long overdue. Let's see if Story Protocol can live up to the hype and really revolutionize the creator economy. We will probably see this not right away. It doesn't matter what the token price does. This is a long-term thing, so we will see how that goes probably in a couple of months or maybe years. Fingers crossed that it works, because it would be amazing for the creator industry. That being said, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out my latest videos and step-by-step guides on getting started with Abstract Chain and Barra Chain. I will probably do an update once Story Protocol and IP are live next week. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't done this already, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.